Hey everyone, Chad here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Checkpoint 1800 Firewall. This really impressed me from start to finish. Not only did I think they put a lot of attention to detail in the device, and I'll show you here in a moment what I mean by that. The boxing, the packaging, everything was really thought out, and you can tell that they truly want to offer you a unique experience. Now this device in particular is geared more towards the small to medium-sized businesses, and I have no doubt once you see the specs on this device that you will definitely want to check it out and consider it for your business. Now the amount of accessories in this box is really impressive. Most companies will send you the bare minimum, but Checkpoint was very key in sending you a perfect amount, in my opinion, of each cable type. Here we have two power cables in the box. We have some RJ45 Ethernet cables. I'm not sure what these are rated, but they do have some type of plating on them. We also are included with rack mount ears, some screws for that, some cable management, and a pad if we decided to set the device on the shelf. This is a USB Type-C console cable. I really appreciated this. Here we have a quick setup guide in getting the device successfully set up. This is just a brief instructional manual on doing so. Here on the front of the device, we have no shortage of ports. We have several different opportunities to actually incorporate this device in our environment. We have a bunch of RJ45 connectors on here rated at 1 gig, several at 2.5 gigs, as well as some 10 gig SFP adapters. We also have the console input. We have USB 3.0 options, a factory reset, as well as a service tag on the front of the device. This is really neat to see that included on the front of the device. Not a lot of companies do that. So that's going to do it for today's video. As always, I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me via any social media platform I am on, as well as engage with me in the comments below.